Hi, I would like to share with you how to batch printing for the invoices. Let's say now we want to print out a batch of invoices that was created up to date. Let me show you how to do it. First, we have to go to the sales invoice. Then you have to right click at the spacing here. Then you are able to see here we have a invoice batch print. Then system will be automatically capture this is invoice listing and with the up-to-date date. Let's say if you want to filter some of the info, for example agent, then you can just pick up from here. Then what you have to do is make sure the print document style is thick. Then you go to apply. Then you straight away go to the preview. You are able to see all your invoice format. You can just pick up which invoice format that you want. So you were able to see it will pages by pages. Let's say you just want to print out for the second page. You can just click here for the second page, third or fourth. So if you want to print out, you can just click on the printer icon, then choose which printer that you want, click OK and print. But if you want to export out, you can just press on the arrow down button, then you can choose export to PDF file, and then you can just insert where you want to put in. For example, now I want to put in at the desktop there, and then the file name of invoices. Then you click on save.